whoever said monsters have to be scary. Because if you want to draw this non-scary monster that looks like this, all you have to do is stay tuned right now.
Here we go! Wonder Friends, Wonder Friends. It's time for Wonder Friends Show. Yeah, all right.
Okay, friends, I'm excited to draw a monster with you. I want to show you a basic monster to draw, and if you feel that I go too fast, you can just pause the video and always come back to it. Or if you want to use this monster to kind of build your own monster off of, that's a great way to look at it too. What I'm going to teach you is kind of like a basic monster shape. The cool part, and the reason why I love drawing monsters so much, is they can literally be anything. So just be patient. You're not going to draw just like me. You're going to draw just like you, and that makes this amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our page up and down, and we are just going to draw one shape just like this. It's kind of like a backwards J that's on its head, right? And you're going to do the same thing on the other side, just like that. All right, the body shape we're going to do is it's going to be kind of a squished circle towards the bottom. So it's almost like a little triangle kind of shape, just like that. Again, if there's some other way that you would like to do it, go for it. Have some fun with it. Now, our legs are super simple. What they are W's, like the letter W. And all that is this. There's one W right there. And just put another W right there, okay? Just like so. All right, now that we got that, we're gonna put some arms on here. And we're gonna do that is just literally just 2 straight lines out. Super duper simple, okay? On each one of those, we're going to put some hot dogs. Just put some shapes, just like so, on there. Keep it very easy for you. Same thing on the other side. Put some hot dogs. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Just like that. If you want to use sound effects when you're drawing, that's pretty cool too. There's no problem with that. I know I talk to myself a lot when I draw. And we're going to put some horns on this one, and I'm going to do some horns just like this. If you want to put some other kind of horns on your little monster, feel free to put any kind of thing. And of course, we need the eyebrows, the brows. I think this one should have some like really thick, some monster eyebrows up in there. Okay, for eyes, see these little spots that we made right here? We're just going to use those spots as places for the eyes, and we're just going to put just 2 circles inside of each one of those. And we're going to make a big swoopy smile, right? Because it's a monster. So we're going to just make a line that comes across just like that. And another one that dips all the way down, just like so. All right. Now we're going to put some teeth in here. You could do any kind of teeth that you would like. I'm just going to do something like this. And those are just like V's. If you look at it, that's a V. The other side is just an A. Minus the little line, right? Just like that. And let's put some little dots right there in the middle. If you want to put a nose, you can. I'm not going to put a nose, but if you want to, you can. Any little details you can do as we color this, you can put those in. And for the stomach, let's put a little soft spot on here. Kind of like if you think like a lizard, the other side of them, it has a little bit of soft spot. Let's do something like that for this. And that's just going to be just an oval like that. And I'm just going to put a couple lines in there just to kind of give it some fun little texture. And I'm going to put a line down here. Because I figured, it's a monster and they should have some hooves on them, right? Now, as far as a tail goes, I'm going to put a tail like this. And I'm just going to go a straight line down. And I'm just going to make like a V shape. And I'm just going to loop it around like that. And I'm going to put some spikes on it. Just like so. And if you want to put some spikes back here, you can also. And then, one of the things that you can do as far as like the horns to kind of give it some textures, if you just put some little lines on there, that just makes it look like it could have some horns to it and stuff like that. But this is the base that you can start building a monster off of. Now, if you want to redraw this video again, you can always pause it and go back and start from the beginning and add different horns. And you can add a hair to it. You can add all these things. But I wanted to show you a very basic monster for you to start with. Now what we're going to do is we're going to color it. And what we're going to do to color it is I'm going to speed it up for you so you don't have to watch me color the whole time. So we'll do it fast. And if you want to color just like me, just pause at the end. And we're going to speed it up for you right now. Right, everybody. So as we start to wrap up, you could grab your little, like, if you want to do like a little fine point marker in there, if you have a smaller Sharpie, those are great things to do to kind of put a couple more details in there. Clean up any edges that you want. Maybe you want to put some scales on your monster. Those types of things are perfect to do with these little tiny ones. If you notice when I was coloring, I know kind of fast, but if you notice some of the stuff I did was I put down a really bright color first, and I let the paper, let it soak into the paper pretty good. And the reason why I did that was that when I knew that if I would layer a darker green on top of it, it would really kind of give it like a really fun, bright green color. That's a little trick that you can use if you want to add some extra little details to your stuff. And you want to put like a ground line on here, you can even do something like that. You can add little different things. If you want to put a background behind your monster, totally up to you. You make this world the way that you want. Have some monster fun with this. Make sure that you sign your name on this so everybody knows who made this awesome piece of art. I have loved drawing monsters for as long as I can remember, and the reason why I love it so much is because you can make them anything. Don't be limited by your imagination. Imagine the things that you want to achieve and the things that you want to do, and figure out a way to do them. There's no such rule as that you can't make a monster, right? So why should you think that there's some sort of rule that you can't achieve the thing that you want to achieve? It's going to take hard work. You're going to have to try, and you're going to have to try every single day. Show up each day, do a little bit, and I guarantee you that you will be so much closer to the big dream that you wish that you could have, that even monsters could be real. They're not really, but you get what I'm saying. You can make them into your reality, whatever dreams that you want to chase. Just believe, just try, and don't give up. Until I see you next time, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!
Hey Wonder Friends, I would love to see the art you create and feature it on one of my videos. With the help of an adult, take a photo of your finished art and post it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Don't forget to tag me so I can find it. Hey, are you looking for a signed copy of one of my books? Check out my website, wondervillestudios.com, for books, t-shirts, mugs, and more. I also do loads of school visits and would love to hear from you about scheduling a visit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other fun drawing lessons. Until I see you, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!